Guys, I crashed the car.
NANI?!
No, not that one. This one. Yeah, so basically I was driving with my girlfriend in the rain, and this being front wheel drive, really light and probably not necessarily the best tires in the world, I turned and the car decided it didn't.
Nope.
So I went straight into a pavement. In short, it's making a weird humming noise now. And we've diagnosed it to be the wheel bearing, so that's what we're going to do today. Okay, there we go, time lapse time. Let's go. Do you want to paint your rims black whilst we out? What? No, but black rims will look good. Black rims will look so much better. It'll look more sporty. You'll feel it. It'll feel faster, I promise you. It's a placebo effect. You think it's faster, but then it actually is faster.
Walk out of here and go to the
Professional. Yeah, now I don't know what to do.
That's my boy. No, my boy! Father, help!
Okay, wheel is off. Now, I'm going to be 100% honest. I don't even know what to do next. I'm assuming here, so I can get things forward, and then obviously the caliper, but yeah. Okay, well, my dad is back now, so that he can actually help me, because I don't know what I'm doing. But past that, I just wanted to apologize if you can hear random background noises, because the power has been off here for the whole day. So there's generators going on, and people are leaf blowing or weed whacking, I don't know at this point, behind us. There's just lots of noise. Sorry, Dad, I need content. Okay guys, so we have now gotten the wheel hub off everything else in the rest of the car now. So we're going to just now loosen the disc off the hub, and then we should be able to get to the bearing. Okay, so old bearing has been pushed out, and we are about to get the new bearing, and we are going to now put that in. It's a little bit more difficult of a task than I thought, because we don't really have the Suzuki tools, but yeah. Okay, new bearing is in. I didn't end up talking in the middle of that a lot because I just wanted to, well, push through and get it done. New bearing is in. My dad knows some magic tricks on how to do it by using the old bearing so that things are in the right shape and position and such.
You're a wizard, Harry.
Anyway, we've just put grease on, what's it, the drive shaft?
Yeah, we just went on the CV joint stub axle.
On the stud axle. Stub axle. There we go. I'm still new, okay? Shut up.
The splines don't rust.
So that the splines don't rust. Just copying what my dad says. Anyway, and now we're just going to reassemble everything. So again, back to time-lapsing all of that. Okay guys, well, as you can see behind me, my girlfriend's little Swift is now, well, at my house. It is running and driving, no noises, the wheels have been aligned, the new bearing is in, and such and such. And it all seems well. There's a bike on the highway and it's being very loud. Dog is trying to bite my knee. Why, Brandy? Why you like this? Anyway, I've just come back from the gym over there. Anyway, so I will see you guys in the next episode. Until then, guys, cheers.